Has announced a surge of immigration sweeps happening all across Portland.
U.S. Customs and Border Patrol says more than 560 people have been arrested in Portland just in the last month. That number far higher than what immigrant advocates groups have been tracking. Digging deeper into these new arrest numbers and the legal battle escalating in federal court, let's switch to Joel Jones, live with more on all this. Joel?
Yes, Jeff, Liz, as these federal arrests continue at a pace that advocates say they have not seen, immigration lawyers say they are racing to keep up. In fact, Innovation Law Lab tells me they're expanding efforts to provide legal help to Oregonians impacted by these raids, and now they're taking their show on the road.
Coming to the Justice Bus, they take it seriously. They're going to meet with a lawyer, but the level of anxiety is less.
Justice on the go. Innovation Law Lab prepping to hit the coast in their Justice Bus, a mobile legal office used to reach people detained across Oregon. Executive Director Stephen Manning says Newport is the next stop, an area they say has seen a spike in federal activity.
No one deserves to go what I and my family is going to.
There was talk of even building an ICE detention center in Newport. So we're getting on the road, taking on the road to make sure that justice can be everywhere.
This comes as video released by U.S. Customs and Border Patrol chief shows what he calls Operation Oregon Support Portland Sweep, credited with more than 500 arrests.
It's heartbreaking that this many families have been torn apart.
Oregon for All previously documented about 300 arrests, but says the federal numbers are likely right as many detentions go unreported. ICE recently confirmed 30 arrests in Woodburn in one day and 26 more in Salem last week.
The data that can be accessible on their own website shows that they are arresting people that have no criminal history.
ICE data show of the nearly 60,000 people in custody, about half have no criminal record and fewer than 30% have been convicted of a crime.
People frequently have no idea why they've been arrested. Then they're taken to the Northwest Detention Center in Tacoma, and from there they can end up anywhere.
Innovation Law Lab now escalating the fight in court. The group has amended its federal lawsuit accusing DHS, ICE, and CBP of denying due process, now seeking class action status. The amended complaint demanding meaningful access to counsel before anyone is moved out of the state. DHS pushing back, though, saying detainees are given ample time to contact attorneys and receive due process. Now, advocates are encouraging families to connect to free legal help through ECHO, download the Protect Your Family Guide, and save or report ICE activity to the PERC hotline on your screen. You can also find more resources at KOIN.com. Now, I want to mention I did reach out to Border Patrol, ICE, and DHS to ask how many of the more than 500 people detained were facing criminal charges. As of this hour, we have not yet heard back. Reporting live in downtown Portland, I'm Joelle Jones, KOIN 6 News.